Virgin Voyages is one of those most talked about cruise lines on the planet right now. People either say it's the most fun they've ever had at sea, or they say it feels like TikTok designed a cruise ship. So today we're answering the million-dollar question, is Virgin Voyages the right cruise line for you? I'm Tori from KirkToriStory. My husband Kirk and I have lived on more than 60 cruise ships across 12 cruise lines, and each line has its own personality. Some are calm, some are classy, and some, like Virgin, are basically a floating adults-only festival with gourmet food. So let's see if you and Virgin Voyages are potential soulmates or just a vacation fling. Section 1. Who sails Virgin Voyages? Virgin attracts specific types of cruisers, and I say that lovingly. First of all, it's an adults-only 18-plus cruise line, and a lot of the clientele are trendy, social travelers, food lovers, people who love all kinds of entertainment, and that would be from listening to great bands or doing karaoke, right down to immersive theater, where you literally dance alongside everyone inside of a show. This line also attracts fitness lovers, coffee lovers, millennials, Gen X, Gen Z, but with better budgeting skills, and people who don't want to be on a typical cruise ship structure. It really is quite different than a traditional cruise line for a number of different reasons that we'll discover here today. Kirk and I have been on 7 sailings with Virgin on different types of sailings and in areas of the world. And I have to point out that even the clientele itself will change depending upon where the itinerary is, the length of the sailing, and even the time of year. For example, we've been on 2 transatlantic cruises with Virgin, and they both have had an older or more mature crowd of an average age of 60, where the Caribbean cruises that we had done were a lot younger. All of their sailings, for example, start with a pajama party. You can see what type of cruise you're on just by looking at people's pajamas. Overall, if you like theme nights, dancing, tattoos, private karaoke rooms, getting invited to secret parties, and experiencing loads of great food options, well, you'll fit right in. Section 2. What makes Virgin Voyages unique? Everything about Virgin was designed to flip traditional cruising upside down. Like I had mentioned, it's an adults-only cruise line, all specialty dining included. There are no buffets or dining rooms. There are no upcharges for shows, no dress codes, nobody running around trying to take your photo, no beverage packages, just bar tabs where if you prepay, you even get some bonus spending money. Instead of traditional entertainment staff, there are happenings cast members who have a specialty to keep you entertained, like the artist, the gamer, the foodie, the diva. It's modern, it's stylish, and it feels like a resort that just happens to float. At the time of this video, there are currently 4 ships in its fleet. And there are mostly similarities between all of the ships with their layouts, the entertainment, and the food, but each ship does have some slight differences with the same as well. Virgin Voyages is also aligned with Virgin Records, so you'll see things like albums that you can listen to in the middle of the ship. Or you could play an album in your rock star quarters. Or if you book a private karaoke room for you and your favorite group of friends, you can play all kinds of different music. Music is a big theme on the ship. The bands are great, the DJs are wonderful, and you will note that music is everywhere, even in the hallways. The food is pretty great too. You could have a fresh salad every day, wonderful soups, sushi, burgers, Korean barbecue. We made a great tour of all the food locations while on the Scarlet Lady. I recommend that you check that video out to see all of that. I'll link it in the description below for you. Section 3, what they're known for. Virgin Voyages is famous for a few key things. Scarlet Night, so that's red outfits and wild entertainment. The entire ship turns red, even the lighting in the hallways. There are so many events going on that you just can't simply experience it all at once, and you're not meant to either. Scarlet Night is their signature, as it starts as a cocktail party and ends with half the ship dancing in the pool. No exaggeration. Number 2, extraordinary dining locations. So they have a steakhouse, Korean barbecue. It's veggie forward. They have test kitchen menus. Again, check out that video. Number 3, cabins with hammocks on the balcony. They're just so comfy. Number 4, live DJ sets. Number 5, immersive shows instead of big productions. Their theater transforms into different configurations, even during some of the shows, so you have to be on your toes. Number 5, a very social, upbeat vibe. And number 6, docking at Bimini Beach Club. Section 4, what life on board feels like. Life on Virgin is fun. That's the best word. It doesn't feel like cruising. It feels like a stylish, inclusive getaway. They have trendy lounges, craft cocktails, great bars, great DJs, a relaxed daytime energy, nighttime parties. It's social but not overwhelming. And they have all kinds of activities throughout the day, like puzzles, word games, arts and crafts. They even have behind-the-scenes magic shows. They have fabulous fitness classes where you can go to free spinning classes or free bungee jumping classes. They really do it right. So if you don't show up though, you'll get charged $20 for a no-show fee. But that money will go to charity. So it all works out for everyone. It's incredibly inclusive. You'll see all genders, identities, sizes, ages. Everybody fits. And the crowd, well, they add to the energy. Even the crew, they're happy to be with Virgin, and you can see it. You can feel it. The crew has time to mingle with you and get to know you, and overall it's a great atmosphere. Section 5, special programs and perks. Virgin has a few standout perks you should know about. Rock stars. If you can afford it, I would actually recommend you upgrading your cruise to a rock star status. Yes, it is a lot more money, but the experience is like night and day to the rest of the passengers. You get priority everything. This is important to know because if you want to get the best seat in the house, for example, you get to enter the venue first. If you're in a lineup for a tender, you get your own special line so that you don't have to wait. You get priority boarding, you get free drinks at happy hour, you have your own butler to make all of your arrangements for you. It's just amazing. And I have a video about our rockstar status featuring our cabin that you should check out, and I'll link it in the description below for you. Another benefit is that all of your dining is included. All specialty restaurants are included. Yes, all of them. You're not paying $45 extra just to get a steak. There are some vegan options on this ship as well, but you can also ask for specialty help with your dietary needs. For example, at the Korean barbecue, I would ask for tofu, and with some notice, I'd be accommodated. Gratuities. Gratuities are included and paid for before you even begin your cruise. So in the end, you will likely not have an additional bill unless, of course, you bought extra things like a spa service or topped up your bar tab. There's also strong Wi-Fi connections. So the Wi-Fi is included and it's actually pretty decent. I was able to upload my YouTube videos while on the ship so that you could be part of it all. Please check out our Virgin Voyages playlist. I'll link it in the description for you. And they also have the band. You get to wear a wearable bracelet to open your room, charge your items, and even connect with crew for service requests. We found it to be very convenient to have it around our wrists. No fumbling for key cards or that kind of thing. And the bar tab. Instead of a drinks package, they use a bar tab system. It's much more fair for light to moderate drinkers. And remember, they have a great happenings cast of entertainment that you should just go out of your way to meet. If you really participate while on the ship, you'll get invitations to secret events. Section 6, Destinations and Itinerary Strengths. Virgin has some great sailing itineraries. In fact, we've been to some pretty amazing places around the world with them, and it's always a great time. So if you go to the Caribbean, they have their own private beach club that feels like a magazine photo shoot. It's amazing. They also will go to the Mediterranean. They go to Iceland. They go to the Greek islands. They do transatlantic cruises. They even do Australia on a seasonal basis. Their destinations are fantastic. Just remember what I had said earlier, that the actual clientele will change depending on the length of your cruise and where the cruise destination is. Section 7. Who shouldn't sail Virgin Voyages? Virgin is amazing, but it's definitely not for everyone. So let's go over that list. Virgin Voyages would not be for families with kids because you literally can't bring them. People who want Broadway style shows, travelers who prefer really quiet evenings, traditional cruisers who love to set dining times, people wanting formal or gala nights, or anyone who doesn't enjoy loud music or ongoing nightlife, or most importantly, anyone who gets offended by cheeky, playful entertainment. If you're looking for ballroom dancing, silent hallways, and bed by 9 o'clock, Virgin will probably confuse you. Section 8, Final Verdict. So, is Virgin Voyages right for you? Choose Virgin if you love adults-only vacations, food that feels like Michelin level, social energy, theme nights, modern design, fun shows. Maybe skip Virgin if you want a quiet, traditional cruise or fancy gala nights or production theater shows, early bedtimes, or structure and routine. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.